Hey guys, I'm Taru, and here at Delaney we have a 2017 Honda Accord Touring Hybrid. Alright, now this vehicle is a very special vehicle. It was our service owner, but very low miles. And it comes with a certified Honda warranty. Okay, now you'll see this vehicle comes in black. Alright, now there's a special feature that comes with this vehicle. It has the hybrid engine. Okay, so it's going to get you a little bit better fuel economy. But the nice thing is it's still a sedan. Now if you see some of the great features that are inside the vehicle, comes equipped with remote start, touchscreen with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, heated leather seats, dual climate control, Honda sensing, backup camera, Bluetooth, nice standard Honda features. Now because this is a mid-size sedan, it has great back seat space as well. Like I said, one of the nice features with this vehicle comes with smart key, built-in remote start as well, and you have your trunk release on the key as well. One thing the Accord is known for is great trunk space. And if you want to learn a little bit more about this vehicle, please stop in at 115 Lenz Road and ask for Taru Ford. Thank you.